So guys, I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So guys, now I'm gonna show you.
Hi guys, this is Shrinika
And this is Shadnika,
and you're joining the S2 Sisters. First of all, we want to wish you all a very happy new year.
So what's special today is me celebrating with my sister. I got the opportunity to celebrate with her the new year. So today is gonna be a simple celebration, but yet it's gonna welcome 2022 really well, I hope.
So today our plan is really simple. My sister is going to bake a cake and then we are going to have some lunch. And then we have a special thing that we're going to do in the evening.
I'm really excited for that thing which we're going to do in the evening. So wait till the end of this video to see what we are excited to tell you guys about.
So without any further ado, let's get into the cake making.
So now I'm going to keep this in the oven and I'm going to show you how to set it so that it cooks perfectly in the oven. Okay, so now we're going to close it. So friends, always start with pressing the stop button or the reset button. So this always clears out any other option that you have chosen before. It helps you to start fresh. So then you're going to take the convection button. I'm going to press the convection button. So then it comes here, convection. So first I'm going to set the temperature. You can see menu or temperatures. I'm going to set it to 180 degrees. That's always best and preferable for cakes. So now next we're going to keep the time. I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes. I'm going to keep 10 minutes twice, which is total 20 minutes. So now that's it. You should press the start button. And that's it. It will be ready after 20 minutes.
So you don't need to preheat it?
Actually, the preheating is not needed for this oven because there is no such options given. But if you want to preheat it in any case, you can just use the convection option, use it for 10 minutes to 180 degrees and leave it without keeping anything inside. And after 10 minutes, you can keep your cake inside. So then it will be like preheated oven.
Okay.
So let's wait for 20 minutes. So now our cake is ready. Let's take it from the oven.
So now you're going to enjoy our lunch with some delicious pizza.
This New Year is the best New Year.
Yummy.
So friends, I don't have a hand beater in India over here. I only have a whisk. So here I am whipping the cream for 20 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna go. My God, it's gonna take a lot of time. 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Let's cut the cake.
Everything that's
Super. Super present with
So friends, we said that we are gonna tell you a big news at the end of the video, and the time has come for that. Friends, it's about our New Year resolution that we have taken, that from now onwards every year we're gonna plant a plant in our houses. We have a lot of plants, but it is mostly our parents who takes care of it. But this time we are going to take responsibility and grow more plants.
Because we all know that the earth is going through a tough time right now. We have seen floods, droughts, and a lot of natural things happening, and we really thought that we should do something for this cause. So we decided to take care of plants and trees, and do something.
Yes.
Because we all know that there is no planet B. It's only one planet, and we need to take care of it. So this is a small step that we have taken that can make a little bit of change, and we really want you all to even, take care of a garden or plant trees or plants in your garden or in your place, because everything makes a change. And yeah, that's our New Year resolution. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!
And friends, I'm traveling to Muscat this week, so it might take a little while for me to post another video, so please forgive me. Bye bye.